Ready for today's video? Yes, I am. So I know you'll be like, how did YouTube change my life with less than 500 subscribers? And currently, I'm not having up to 200 subscribers. Well, this isn't my first account, but my second YouTube account. My first account is Bolo of Lagos. And if you are my subscriber from Bolo of Lagos channel, say hi in the comment section. Okay? I welcome all of you all to my channel once again. Well, YouTube didn't make me change. YouTube didn't just change my life, but it made me experience growth in 2024. And let me give you a recap of the growth. I started my YouTube channel with my first video called Throwback Content. See, let me play it for you. Hey, let's make a deal. If you remember the video I'm about to show you, you may follow. Deal. What?
Mom, is the food ready yet? Come on, guys, I got an idea.
To me, to you, it's up to us to make the world a better place. A place where we can learn, where we can dance, where we can live together in peace and harmony. It's up to me, to you. It's up to us to make the world a better place. To me, to you. It's up to us to make the world a better place. To me, to you. It's up to us to make the world a better place.
Indomie Instant Noodles.
Come back here. You forgot to make a deal. How many children do you have by now? Oh, I guess you are not mine. Don't mind. Wow, what a fun video. See, and I miss childhood though, I swear. I swear to God. YouTube is like a school. You have to learn and unlearn. And I want you to know that you have come this far. You don't need to give up. You don't know how many people you have inspired by starting up your YouTube channel. See, let's forget about views, subscriber count, and see, watch hour. Let's forget about all of those. Because all of that means nothing. Because what matters is how many people learn and gain from your videos, and how many people you have inspired by starting up your YouTube channel. Yes, and I want to say what? Congratulations on starting up your YouTube channel. Or should I say, congratulations on starting up your YouTube journey. At least, you are better than those who are procrastinating. I'll start this January, I'll start this March, I'll start this July, I'll start Kineko. See, you are still better than them. Just what? Don't give up. Let me play one of my behind the scene video for you so that you can see how far I have come or what it takes for me to start up my YouTube channel. Do you see before content and do you see before content and after content? So you have to be creative if you want to create content. Yes, you are a video from getting all what you want on YouTube: monetization, money, gift, attention, anything. But let me ask you a question, a very honest question. After monetization, what next? Tell me. Tell me. Some people used to quit YouTube after monetization because of what? They did not reach the $100. Yes, because they were not able to reach $100, so they quit YouTube, and that is not good. That's because what? They did not enjoy the process of YouTube. They did not enjoy it. They did not learn the journey. They did not enjoy it. See, I want you to enjoy the process and don't rush to monetization and you start struggling to get your first 1,000 subscriber. Because some people will start doing restream. They won't start be the 4,000 watcher. They will restream, go live. No, none of their single video, no one of their video has value at all. None of their one video like has value. See, when you finish monetization and you start struggling to monetization, when you monetize finish and you start struggling to get your first 1,000 subscriber. Sorry, mistake. See, when you rush to monetize and you start struggling to get your first $100, that's pure rubbish. What matters is offer value in your videos. And starting a YouTube channel can be very hard because you'll be like, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this one. But let me tell you, when you look at what you don't have, you won't be able to start anything. I started my YouTube channel basically with no microphone, no studio, no lights, basically nothing except my smartphone. All I was using was my dining table. If I started using the lamp at home, and before I was even able to afford to buy my lead light pro 600. See, tell me in the comment section, how has your YouTube channel started? Or how is your YouTube channel journey going? I want to know in the comment section. I want people to be able to express themselves. Let me play 2 videos for you. Are you hear me? The first video is from Bolo of Lagos channel. CapCut Pro is free. CapCut Pro is free. You have me right. Please. In my last video, I talked about how to create fake background. This is the link. In this video, I'm telling you how to make use of CapCut Pro features for free, because CapCut made some of their features pro, like enhance for remove background. But wait, let's dive in. First, go to your CapCut. And the second one is from Bolu Vibes channel. Guess what best is? Guess what, my party? CapCut Pro is free. CapCut Pro is free. I repeat again. CapCut Pro is free. I noticed when CapCut made most of their features pro, we all stopped using that, started using InShot. Or is it when you have to get watermark for using CapCut? Is it the rubbish advertisement? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. All of them is annoying. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make use of CapCut Pro features for free without paying a dime or anything. So let's go. I guess this is the part I float. Okay, let's go. So first, go to the 2 video. What did you notice? They both have the same title, the same introduction, but different view and different watch hour. Yes, I can show you both of them have watch hour. The watch hour are different. Are you seeing it? And why it's like that? One, it's because I improved myself. Yes. At first I thought it was luck, and maybe it was luck that made me get more views in my first video. So I did it again. And what? I still got more views than my previous video in my former channel. And it is what? That is to show that it isn't luck. It's because of what? I improved more in myself. I didn't just say, let me keep posting videos. One day my video go viral. I should pick this video. Work on your video. Learn how to improve your video. Work on your video. Improve your video. Don't just expect any video to go viral. Work on your videos. I beg. So what I do anytime I post a video, anytime I post a video, and I check and I observe what is wrong. Why is people not watching this video? What is wrong? And I improve more rather than just doing any video and say, hey, it's go viral now. Please work on your video. If you watch videos from my previous channel and this one, there is huge difference because I improve more. So in summary, never give up on your YouTube channel. You can never tell your viral video. And in case you are thinking of starting up your YouTube channel, go and watch this video. Go and watch this video to learn how to set up your YouTube channel the right way. And if you watch the video to this point, if you watch the video to this point, let me motivate you. If you watch the video to this point, make sure what you subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so you can never miss one of my video. And what your next video could be the one that changes everything. So keep learning, keep improving, and most important, keep going. Don't feel down about your low views. Last video I posted, I had only 10 views. Last day I had only 2 views. The video that will go viral is unknown to you and is unknown to me. I can't say this particular video you do, it makes sense. It is to go viral. No, it's a lie. I'm deceiving you. So what? See you in my next video. I am Bolu Vibes. Bye.